Hello. Good morning. Woke up at 4 o'clock. Now it's like 4:30 or something. Gotta go to the airport. They pulled me aside again this time because I didn't take my laptop out of my bag. A rule that seems to vary depending on the airport you go to. Luckily, I have this horrible, awful coffee to wake me up. Look, there's no little televisions. Thank God.
Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Continue to use your small, lightweight, portable electronic devices, but they must be unplugged and remain in airplane mode. Please be sure your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and tray tables are upright, and headrests are lowered. We should be landing shortly. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Seattle. The time is approximately 8:08 a.m.
I can't. Look at you, handsome. You're a handsome boy. Papa. Yeah. Oh, you're so
Everyone's just fascinated about how Hazel got a cat on an airplane. It's amazing. I was home for 2 seconds. Now I gotta go over to the bookstore and pick up my books for class. It's 11:46 a.m. It's not even noon and I've already been across the country. I just think that's incredible every time. Sweet.
Okay, so you ordered 3 books.
Oh, yes. Do I have all 3?
You got all 3.
Sweet.